Hello students, I welcome you back to the video lecture on customs duty. In this video lecture, we'll study illustration 16. An importer has imported raw materials from America at a cost of $50,000. Other details are as follows. Goods were packed for which packing charges were charged $5,000. Goods were stuffed in returnable. Price of container is 2000. Returnable container, as we all know by now, we have to ignore this data. Insurance charges $250. Sea freight charges $4,000. Importer had paid commission to broker in America who had arranged the transaction $500. Very important is the word importer here. Who is paying the commission? Importer. And what happens when importer pays the commission? What do we call that commission as? Yes, buying commission. So whenever they have given buying commission, we'll have to ignore that particular data. So this will not be taken into consideration. Rate of exchange $1 is equal to 60. They have given it directly. Customs duty, this is nothing but basic customs duty, 10%. Integrated tax, IGST at 12%. And social welfare surcharge 10%. Find out customs duty payable. Ignore compensation cess under GST. They have not mentioned it. So let's not go there. We'll start solving the problem. Let us first look at some important data once again. As the container can be returned back, such cost will not be taken into consideration while computing the assessable value. This is with regards to the cost of returnable container. It is clearly mentioned that the commission is paid by the importer. Hence, such commission paid is known as buying commission, which should not be included in assessable value. So let's directly jump on to the solution now. So computation of assessable value, exchange rate $1 is equal to rupees 60. You have to take US dollar and also in Indian rupees. So cost of raw material, they have set 50,000 US dollars. This has to be converted into Indian national rupees. So 50,000 into 60, 30 lakh. Next, packing charges 5,000 into 63 lakh. FOB price 55,000 US dollars, that is 30 lakh plus 3 lakh, 33 lakh. See here, insurance charges and freight charges are taken later after the FOB price. This is a returnable packing, so we will not take that into consideration. One more used to come is commission, but here commission is ignored because it is buying commission. Why? Because importer is paying the commission. So we will ignore that. Let's come back. Now we have to take the transportation cost, sea freight. So whatever is the amount given, we have to take directly. Only if the freight is given through airways, only then we will compare. Nothing to compare here. 4,000 into 60, 2,40,000. Next, insurance cost 250 into 60, 15,000. And then assessable value 33 lakh plus 2,40,000 plus 15,000, 35 lakh. 55,000 is the assessable value of this particular import. Next, first take the assessable value. Important data points. Basic customs duty is at 10%. Social welfare surcharge is at 10%. IGST is at 12%. Add basic customs duty to this assessable value. 35 lakh 55,000 into 10%, 3 lakh 55,500. Write it in both the columns. Assessable value should be written in only one column. We have understood that by now. NCCD is not mentioned. Countervailing duty is not given. So by now we will get subtotal A. 35 lakh 55,000 plus 3 lakh 55,500. 39 lakh 10,500. So 3 lakh 55,500 as it is. Next, social welfare surcharge at 10% of VCD plus NCCD plus CVD. So 3,55,500, nothing is given. So only 3,55,500 into 10%. They have not mentioned safeguard duty, they have not given protective duty and also anti-dumping duty. So let it be as it is. Subtotal B, 39,10,500 plus 35,550, 39 lakh 46,050 you will get. 3,55,500 plus 35,550, 3 lakh 91,050. Next, add the IGST to this at 12%. See here, given at 12% on subtotal B, 39,46,050 into 12%, 4,73,526. Compensation cess is not given. So 3,91,050 plus 4,73,526. When you add both of this, you will get 8,64,576 as total customs duty payable, whereas the cost of import of this particular raw material is 39,46,050 plus 4,73,526. So the amount is rupees 44,19,576. Thank you.